It's a community come together because we've all been impacted by cancer.
It binds us all together this morning because we're all in this fight.
This is why we are here. We are here to fight against cancer.
In our lifetime, the best thing would be to be able to come up here and say, I was alive when cancer was cured.
I think we have a shared mission and vision, right? It's essentially a healthy future for all, whether they are patients or they are just fans at a game. I think that's what really brings us together as a team. And that is something that we absolutely resonate with, right? So over the years, I think we came together a little over a decade ago, and we have invested so many resources in this partnership to be able to come up with different ways of enhancing and really looking at what the future of health and well-being looks like for some of our fans, patients. So that is something that has been a tremendous thing for us over the past years. So I think it's an invaluable partnership in that sense, and we've built a very rock-solid foundation to be able to collaborate and work together to deliver this to our fans and patients.
The D-bacs and Dignity Health come to the community to support it in any way we can. And philanthropy has been at the forefront of that for both of our organizations. And the partnership through the years has really grown community awareness, including our screenings for mammograms and for prostate cancer and a lot of those things. More of the impact includes funding that has gone to research, funding for the most innovative technology that we've been able to purchase thanks to the D-bacs and the support of the race. So those are, direct impact for our community and our cancer patients. And so we're very, very fortunate and thank the D-bacs for all the support through the years.
I'm originally from California. I am a huge Diamondback fan, and about 14 years ago, I actually worked with the Diamondbacks, and I was there when they won their first World Series.
Diamondbacks win! They're the world champions!
It was a great time, and I'm happy to be involved and have them be involved with the Cancer Center. The culture and community that I found at the Cancer Institute reminds me a lot of the Diamondback organization. The Cancer Institute, I feel like it's a family. Going through treatment, I've become friends with a lot of the providers here. And whenever I come in for an appointment, I always make the rounds and say hi to everyone. And it's just, I get the same kind of feeling that I had when I worked at the Diamondbacks. And it's a very positive experience for me whenever I come to the Cancer Center. I'm probably one of few that actually look forward to coming because I feel like they're my family, and I feel like I'm able to visit with them, and they've all been very positive in my journey. Being a patient here, I've seen a different side. I've always heard of the Cancer Center and what great work they do and what great doctors they have. And now that I've been going through it, I find that it's just wonderful. It's very positive. I feel like I'm not just a patient here. There's been times where I've gone to yoga and I'm doing yoga right next to my surgeon, and she'll look over to me and she'll say, "Hey Wendy, how you doing?" And it makes me feel like a person, and I'm not patient number 29. And I've noticed that with everyone that they treat here. It's not just because I'm an employee, they treat everyone with dignity. To me, you become a family when you come to the Cancer Center, and it's been nice to see it from the other side.
One of the things that's really unique about us is that the majority of our leadership who leads this Cancer Institute leads by personal experience. So when you have somebody who's actually been a patient and walked the path and has gone through the journey, the experience and the learning is of a completely different level. We are no longer treating this as a business of somebody comes in and this is a workflow and this is what needs to be done, and all of that is out of the window, because every single step, every move, every thought, every process is about how do we improve this? How do we improve their journey? What can we do differently? What else is missing? What more can we do has always been in the forefront of our minds. Whether we look at transformation, whether we look at innovation, advances in medical science, advances in well-being, that singular perspective is at the forefront that of everything that we do.
What we like to say, hello human kindness. All of our physicians and our nurses and our care teams are really taking the extra steps above and beyond to care for our patients and everyone that's vulnerable in the community.
My experience being a patient at Dignity has been such an amazing experience. I feel like this institute saved my life. It was actually my second opinion. My first opinion wasn't too great, but when I came here, they really focused on helping me, letting me know that I'm gonna have more years with my 4 kids, and I'm so grateful. Every nurse was so helpful, so loving, and really acted like they cared for me, like family. They felt like family. Every time the doctors walked in the room, it's like a halo was over their head, like angels were sent to help save my life, and that's exactly what they did. Dr. Powell, it brings me to tears because, like I said, this was a second opinion for me. And when I came here, I made an appointment. The day of my appointment, she rushed me into the hospital. And she told me, like, no, I see that you've been fighting. I see that you've been trying so hard for people to listen to you and no one listened. I'm here to let you know that I'm listening and I hear you, and I'm gonna help you in any way that I can. And she did exactly that, and I'm so grateful for her and her team. I'm here with my kids, and that's all I can say. I'm very grateful for this institute.
I think cancer has affected us all. I think we know that. Every single individual, it doesn't matter who we are, what we do in life, we know of someone, whether it's in our family, extended family, friends, doesn't matter. It's touched everyone.
But who here knows someone been touched by cancer? Yeah, I see a lot of hands out there.
It's been an amazing experience to see the crowds grow.
The race is amazing. Number of people come out with teams, with their families or friends or their schools. And so that is really impactful, in addition to the dollars that are raised while everyone is enjoying the day. But on top of that, a benefit is there's the Health Expo. We have a lot of different information from a lot of different organizations and departments of health that really you can walk around and talk to experts. It's a really important community benefit that we are so happy to be included in. And again, the partnership has been amazing in terms of bringing as much education and information to our community. So I encourage everyone to get out. And if you've done it before, do it again.
I think our work really resonates with the population as a whole. And it's just amazing to see that what 2 key partners who are such big players in the community can come together and affect the messaging, affect the care and the well-being for such a huge population.
I think that everyone, especially the Diamondbacks fans, everything that you all are helping with the Institute, I'm grateful. You're helping so many lives, saving so many lives, and I am one that is very grateful for everything that you all are doing.